And as the cold wave conditions prevail in northern India, the mercury level has dropped to shivering levels. The chilling dip in the average temperatures has prompted everyone from men to gods to wool up to fight the cold.
A chilling dip in the average temperatures across northern India prompted everyone from man to gods to wool up to fight the cold on Monday. Temperature dipped up to -15 degrees Celsius in India's Himalayan Ladakh territory. Some people were seen enjoying ice hockey and also lit Himalayan heaters in houses to fight the cold.
आजकल यहाँ पर ठंड बहुत बढ़ गई है। अभी -15 है, तो कल 2 दिन पहले -21 तक भी टेम्परेचर गया था। अभी कहते हैं कि 21 दिसंबर के बाद ज़्यादा ठंड होगा।
In neighbouring Jammu city of Jammu and Kashmir territory, people were seen wrapped up in woolens while sipping tea to fight the cold. The weather department has predicted light to a moderate spell of snowfall from December 23 to 25. Meanwhile, in central Bhopal city, priests wrapped idols of gods in woolens to save the deities from cold. It is a common sight to see deities adorned with woolen or velvet fabrics in India, as they are believed to have life in them by many devotees.
मौसम राजधानी भोपाल में बहुत सर्दी का शीत लहर चल रही है साहब। ये शीत लहर में परमात्मा को भी ऊनी वस्त्र, सर्दी के हिसाब से वस्त्र पहनाए जाते हैं।
Cold wave also swept parts of capital New Delhi on Monday, with minimum temperature of 3.1 degrees Celsius recorded at the Lodi Road Observatory, according to the Regional Meteorological Centre. Cold wave conditions have been prevailing in Delhi for the last 2 days, owing to a strong, dry, northwesterly cold wind. To beat the chilling cold, it is common to come across people sitting across a fire to warm themselves these days. South Asia's winters are not as cold as other regions, such as North America, but the millions of poor here are hit harder because they live in the open and do not have enough warm clothes and often die.